Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to remote access Android phone from computer. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To remotely access an Android phone from a PC, you can use various methods such as software applications designed for remote access and control. One popular option is to use a dedicated app called TeamViewer. Here's a general guide on how to set up remote access to an Android phone from your PC. Firstly, install the TeamViewer app on your Android phone from the Google Play Store. Download and install TeamViewer on your PC from the official website. Just follow the prompts to install TeamViewer on your PC. Now, open the TeamViewer app on your Android phone. Agree to terms. Tap Get Started. Now, launch TeamViewer on your PC. In the TeamViewer app on your Android, enter the TeamViewer ID of your PC into the Partner ID field. Click Remote Control to establish a remote connection. Now, on your PC, accept the incoming connection request from the Android. Now, make sure to have an account created already. Now, tap on Sign Up using your email, then tap on Skip for now. Go back to Connect, then tap on Remote Control. Now go back to your PC and access your email to activate. So click on Verify My Account. Now, on your Android, tap on OK, then tap on Remote Control. Now enter the password on your PC. Grant necessary permissions for remote control. Once connected, you can remotely view and control your Android phone screen from your PC using your mouse and keyboard on the computer to interact with the Android phone. To end the remote session, simply close the TeamViewer app on either device. Take note, ensure both devices are connected to the internet for remote access. Always use secure and trusted applications like TeamViewer for remote access to protect your privacy and security. Follow any additional instructions or prompts provided by the remote access software during setup and use. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.